Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to switch back to the AutoCAD view into the classical view. This is normally in the new version. If you go here, Workspace switching, if you click here, you will see some drafting and annotation, and the toolbars are in ribbon type. The classic view, it is something different. So whatever you click here, 3D basic, 3D modeling, anything, it will come normal like this. So just type toolbar, just minus toolbar. So here you don't forget to put this minus dash toolbar, enter. So just click all, and you can make show. So it will show all the toolbar what is available. You see this everything change here. So you just switch off the ribbon type. So if you click here again, it will come. If you click here, it will go. So see this one coming everything. So you don't want everything, but you need only standard. So you can make a minus in toolbar again, enter all, and you can hide it. Then again minus toolbar, okay, enter. You may type one toolbar name like standard. Let's type standard, okay, just show. So standard toolbar appear here. So you just right click from here anywhere, AutoCAD. So you will see all the toolbars are available here. So if you go draw, you can have that. Okay. So it's very easy. So once you finish whatever toolbar you want, you can add everything and just go here and make save current. So you can make my CAD view or something, whatever you want. Let's make space here. So save. Okay. So when I go drafting and annotation, so this the one will come, the old one. So I can go back to my CAD view. So the classical view will be appear. I hope you understand this one very well. So keep practicing, and we will meet you in inshallah in next video. Until there, take care. Bye. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, and we can learn together. Take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.